In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you don't have your keyboard toolbar on, you need to enable it in order to use Clipboard. To do it now, you need to go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on General Management over here. Now select Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll down to click on Gray switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar. When it's on, you can finally go back to your keyboard. As you can see, Clipboard is over here. To use it, you need to copy any text and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard icon over here and tap on your text in order to paste it. If you wish to use it after more than an hour, you need to pin it. In order to do that, hold it and use pin icon at the top right corner. To unpin it, you can do exactly the same. You can also tap on your pin, then click on your text and select Done at the top right corner. Wherever you decided, if you wish to delete any copied text from your clipboard, you can tap on pin icon right next to the pin, click on your text, choose Delete at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to delete text on the go, you can click on this button at the bottom right corner. To go back to your keyboard, use keyboard icon at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!